Did you ever feel that you wanted to contribute to the society, give back to the nation, or wanted to bring a change, but always thought how could a single person do that, or what influence would I make anyhow? Well, my dear friend, Teach for India Fellowship Program brings you a unique opportunity to face one of the biggest challenges of current Indian society, that is educational inequity. You might not even know, but even today, 42% children in India are not even able to complete their primary education. Or simply put, not everyone is as lucky as we are in terms of receiving education. Teach for India feels that every children in India deserves a right to an excellent education regardless of his or her social existence. The Teach for India Fellowship Program is a very well focused and organized leadership building program aimed for the individuals who want to bring a similar change and who shares a similar vision. Time management, critical thinking, and excellent communication are some of the very few qualities that you develop and which are very essential in today's dynamic global world. You are given an autonomous responsibility of leading a classroom for 2 years, design their course structure and curriculum, and stride and lead them on a growth curve. Teach for India believes that a good teacher is synonymous to a good leader. Teach for India started with a bunch of enthusiastic people who wanted to bring the idea of Teach for All, a global phenomena, to India, and is now an organization consisting of over 700 volunteers who are regularly striving to make the lives of more than 22,000 children in India better. The distinguished alumni are well settled all around the world in some of the leading universities like Harvard University and some of the top Forbes management companies like McKinsey Consulting, Bank of America, and Tata Consulting Services. To sum it up, you will be a changed personality with immense satisfaction, experience, and confidence to lead and stride in any career path you choose after the program. Thank you.